In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select Camera app. It is somewhere here. Okay, so it's right here, and now go to Record Video. And here you can change the resolution, so you can pick whichever you would like to apply. Also, you can change the FPS for those that are available. And here you can smoothly change the resolution. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change video resolution in your Apple iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.